Lord, I've been broken, although I'm not worthy. You fix me, I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. I said a prayer this morning, I prayed I would find a way to another day. I was so afraid till you came and saved. You came and saved me. And the rain was pouring, but the sun faded away. Now I'm in a better place, no longer afraid, blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. Been broken, although I'm not worthy. You fix me, I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. Been broken, although I'm not worthy. You fix me, I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me.
Okay, let's just get straight to it. The chords for this song are actually pretty straightforward. No barring involved, nothing too complicated going on with your left hand. The right hand, however, is going to be a bit challenging as we've got some really quick 16th note rhythm going on. So we'll start by looking at the chords and timing, and then we'll break down the rhythm and put it all together. The performance at the beginning is to give you an idea of how everything fits together in context, so you can hear the rhythm, the vocals, the other instruments. If you need to rewind back to that to play along with, that's cool. You can also get hold of the backing track. Just need to click the link in the description. So enough talk now, let's zoom in and start learning the song. Okay, so we're in standard tuning, 4/4 time. Got the capo on the 2nd fret. Everything's relative to that. We're gonna start by looking at the chords in the order of the progression. Then we'll look at the timing and then go into the rhythm. Okay, so we're gonna start with a C. It's then gonna move from a D minor to an F. Okay, use this grip, not the bar, because it's going to be too much movement. Then we're going to want to go A minor to G, followed by an E minor back to the F. And then we're going to finish up with a G, which brings us back to the 1 to repeat on the turnaround. Okay, so it's a perfect cadence 5/1 movement. There's quite a lot of chords there. They're simple to play, but you definitely want to know the order that they're played in. If you need to get hold of the chord chart, click the link in the description. You're going to get the diagrams, obviously, with the arrangement, and it also comes with the rhythm, so it can be very helpful to have that in front of you when you're learning the song. Once you've got the chords and the order, you can start looking at the timing. So let's use the first chorus to figure out how long each chord lasts for and where the changes are. So we hit the C for the first bar, and that's actually going to bleed over into the second bar, which is going to be split. And this is the reason why I was giving you the chords in pairs, okay? Because you're going to get, let me just count through it actually as I play it, and it will all make sense, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. Okay, so if you look at the chord chart, you'll see that the C, the first chord, is being held for a bar, and then so we use a semi-breve or whole note, 4 beats. That's tied to a minim or a half note to give it another 2 beats. So essentially it lasts 6 beats, and the second bar is split between that chord and the D minor. Okay, so and then you're gonna get here, and it's that shuffle, that movement there, which is going to give this song its character. Okay, so make sure you know the order of the chords, and make sure you know the timing. Practice it with this rhythm when it's really simple, because it's going to pay off when we move on to the next section. Okay, so let's look at the rhythm for the verse. I'm just going to play through it, and as I do that, you know, with this close up, listen to it, and internalize it. That's going to be the best method for figuring out how to replicate this rhythm, yeah? So let's go through it. Okay, and then that's repeated, so we play that through twice. Okay, so it's just literally down, 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 down. Okay, and that's the split bar moment. Then it just repeats around again. Then the split, down, 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 down. Okay, so as I say, it's essential that you know the chord, you know the order, and then get that timing down. Okay, especially when we move to the next section now, which is going to be the chorus. So for the second chorus and all the choruses after, you want to go with this really high tempo, high energy, 16th note rhythm. So I want to play it to start with, just so that you can hear it and see it with the close-up. And again, as I said, internalize it, and then we'll slow it down and break it apart. Okay, so we're going to go here from the C. Repeated again. Obviously, it is quite tiny on the neck here, but I really want you to have the extreme close-up. You can see both hands in shot. Let's just start slowing it down now, yeah? So you can hear this rhythm that's chugging along, yeah? And that's where you insert the change. Yeah? It's essential at this stage that you're very confident and very comfortable with the timing changes of the chords, so that your right hand can just be loose and relaxed and just execute this rhythm. Okay, so I don't want to be like saying the downs and the ups and stuff, because this is going to sound ridiculous. Yeah, once again, let me just play through it. Yeah, think about it, internalize it, maybe even play along as I'm doing it. There's quite a lot going on with this drum in there, but as I say, having the chord chart will be very helpful. Rewinding back to the beginning, using this close up, even having the track. There's a lot of learning resources available, so if you need to grab hold of those, again, click the link in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. You've got the verse, you've got the chorus, you've got the rhythm, you've got the timing, everything you need. Okay, there we go. There's the lesson. Hopefully it made sense. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. You can also get in touch via Instagram. I actually post a lot of videos there that I don't publish on YouTube, so definitely check me out. Big shout out to Only One Mics, smashed the vocals on this track, and CP360, who did a great job on the production. Remember, if you want to get hold of the backing track, the stems, the chord chart, all those learning resources are available to you. Just need to click the link in the description. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully I shall see you again soon. Take care.